Hello guys, so this is a follow-up video, right, to my first video where I built a one-click secure login to a Raspberry Pi that captured real-time system data, converted it to JSON and plotted it live, giving timestamps. Now I have added an Arduino via serial so that the Pi can collect and visualize two synchronized data streams, one from its own system and one from the Arduino. Now I built this using C++, Python, and some Linux tools. So this project kind of showcases modular real-time diagnostics across hardware and software. So now I'll just demonstrate the upgraded version of the project. So I will run the command here now and just observe what happens on the screen. So my Arduino and Raspberry Pi are remote to me right now, and here you can see we got synthetic data from the Arduino, and I can capture my Raspberry Pi and the Arduino data here. Okay, so now I can extend this project, right, so that you can log metrics over time. I can connect to real sensors. I can add new metrics, and enable remote monitoring by pushing the logs to a server or triggering alert systems based on thresholds, right? This can be integrated, right, to detect any like variations. You can generate summaries and guide users through a lot of diagnostics interactively. So this is all I want to showcase in this project here, and hope you guys have a good Tuesday. Bye for now.